Solids which have conductivity range from 10 to the power 4 to 10 to the power 7 are known as conductors. Metals have conductivity in the order of 10 to the power 7. Hence they are best conductors of electricity. Example: gold, copper, aluminium, etc. You could find that there is no 4-button gap present. As a result, the electron from the valence band can easily move to conduction band. This results conductivity in metals. Insulators. Those solids which do not allow electricity to flow through them are known as insulators. Example: plastic and rubber. In this, the 4-button energy gap is large. As a result, huge amount of energy is required to excite the electron to conduction band. Semiconductors. It has conductivities between 10 to the power minus 6 to 10 to the power 4. Conduction of electricity in semiconductors is based on temperature and addition of impurities. The 4-button gap is quite narrow. Thus, heat energy available at room temperature is sufficient to excite some of the electron from valence band to conduction band. This results in the conduction of electricity to some extent. Two types of semiconductors. Intrinsic, which can conduct electricity in their pure form, are called as intrinsic semiconductors. Example: germanium and silicon. The process of adding some amount of impurity to an intrinsic semiconductor is known as doping, and impurities are called as dopants.
Doping can be done in two ways: electron-rich impurity and electron-deficient impurity. Both silicon and germanium belongs to the group 14 of the periodic table and have 4 valence electrons each. When silicon is doped with a small amount of group 15 elements such as phosphorus or arsenic, its electron conductivity increases. And silicon doped with electron-rich impurity is called N-type semiconductors, and N stands for negatively charged electrons. Electrical conductivity of silicon or germanium can also be increased by doping group 13 elements such as boron, aluminium or gallium. When silicon is doped with some group 13 elements, here some of these positions are substituted by the atoms of group 13 elements. Since group 13 elements have only 3 valence electrons, they form 3 covalent bonds, leaving one of them unpaired. This causes an electron hole in the system. These holes are responsible for electrical conduction, and the resultant semiconductors are known as p-type semiconductors.